In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove skills from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're updating your expertise or simply giving your profile a bit of a refresh, knowing how to edit the skills section can be immensely helpful. Let's dive right in. To start with, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. You'll want to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right of the screen. This is your gateway to managing and customizing your personal information on LinkedIn. Next, go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll want to select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can see all the information you've shared with your network. As you scroll down your profile page, you'll find the Skills section. This is where any skills you've added in the past are listed, providing a quick overview of your professional capabilities. To make an edit, look for the pencil icon next to the skills you wish to modify. Clicking this icon will open up editing options specifically for your skills section. Now, carefully browse through the list of skills and spot the one you'd like to remove. When you find it, there will be an option labelled as Delete Skill. Clicking this option will remove the undesired skill from your profile immediately. And just like that, it's done. Your skill section is updated, reflecting a more accurate portrayal of your current professional abilities. It's always wise to regularly review and update this part of your profile. In doing so, you ensure that it aligns with your career goals and the skills you genuinely wish to showcase to potential employers or connections. Remember, LinkedIn is not just an online resume, but a dynamic platform where your profile evolves as you do professionally. Tailoring it to best represent your capabilities can make a significant impact. I hope this guide has made the process of updating your LinkedIn profile a little simpler for you. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to revisit this video or explore LinkedIn's help section for more detailed insights. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now confident in managing your LinkedIn profile effectively. For more tips and tricks on how to leverage LinkedIn for your professional needs, be sure to check out our other videos in this series. Until next time, happy networking.